how to add the Recommendations Music Widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then go to the home screen page that has the blank space. After that, tap on touch and hold on the home screen. Then tap on Edit. Now from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on Music. After that, we swipe across, and then until you see Recommendations. So here we've got the medium size widget and a larger size widget. So select a widget size and then tap on Add Widget. And the widget will be added to your home screen. After that, tap on the Done button to finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.